Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok services not available in your country. If you're using TikTok and you're having the issue that the TikTok services is not available in your country, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to open your browser, and here you have to search for is TikTok available in my country. So you have to search for is TikTok available in my country, or you can select the country name here. Once you have selected, you will get the results, and if this answer is yes, so it might be that there's an issue with your TikTok app. So you can try to update your TikTok app, open App Store and search for TikTok here, and then you'll find any update here. If you find, try to update your TikTok app, and after that you can try to disconnect with your VPNs. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected, and after that you have to go back and try to update your software, or you can try to check your iPhone storage. Or if you have checked them all but you're still having the same issue, you have to make sure you're connected to a strong network connection. Then you have to open your TikTok app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings and privacy, and then select the option of free up space, and then select clear and clear all the cache from here. Then go back, select report a problem, select account profile, select login here, select other option from here, and now you just have to wait for the next screen. And from here you just have to select the option of need more help, and now you can contact with your TikTok support team. You can ask or discuss about your issue with and get official help from TikTok. So in this way you can easily fix if your TikTok services are not available in your country and you're having this issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.